In this video, you will learn how to get a Twilio WhatsApp number first. Create or log into your Twilio account. Go to the Twilio website and sign up or log in using your credentials. Apply for the WhatsApp access. Navigate to the messaging section and find the WhatsApp product. Simply submit a request to enable WhatsApp messaging on your Twilio account. This process may require providing your business details for approval. Verify your business profile. Complete the Facebook Business Manager verification. Since WhatsApp Business API is managed through Facebook, this step is necessary for WhatsApp approval. Get a Twilio phone number for WhatsApp. Choose an existing Twilio phone number or purchase a new one that supports WhatsApp messaging. Configure the number for WhatsApp. Enable WhatsApp on your Twilio number by linking it through the Twilio console. Follow the prompts to set up your webhook URL and messaging preferences. Start sending WhatsApp messages. Once you're approved and configured, you can start sending and receiving WhatsApp messages via your Twilio number using the API. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.